Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today, I'll explain how to edit weights. Let's begin! Let's start! Weight is the feature that indicates the influence of armature on mesh, and we can set the weight for each bone. In object mode, check the weight, select the robot and click Weights Paint from the toggle menu at the top left of the 3D viewport. When you select a bone name from the vertex group of the object data properties, the degree of weight in each bone is displayed by color coding. The bluer the color is, the smaller the effect is, and the redder the color is, the greater the effect. Next, I'll explain how to edit weights in Weight Paint mode. In the Weight Paint mode, select the shoulder point L bone from the vertex group of object data properties. Then you can see that the object in the top left of the body is affected by the bones like this. To fix this, let's use a brush to weight paint the model. Click Active Tools in Workspace Settings. To open Brush Settings, weight can be set from 0 to 1. 1 is the red value that represents the strongest effects. This time, set this value to 0. Radius is the size of the brush radius, and strength is the size of the brush influence when applied. At Blend, select Mix. If you select Mix, you can overcode the set weight value regardless of the original weight. In addition, no matter how many layers are applied, the weight will not exceed the set value. After setting the brush, open Symmetry and select X in the mirror. This allows the edited weights to be reflected in the X-axis symmetric object. After that, you can fill the weights with a brush on the 3D viewport. When the editing is complete, the effect of the arm bones on the body can be completely eliminated. Next, I'll explain how to use Edit mode to edit weights. Select the robot. Switch to Edit mode and select the mesh where you want to edit. This time, select the mesh around the top left of the body as before. Select the appropriate bone name from the vertex group of the object data properties. Set the weight value to 0 and click Assign. This completes the weight editing. Looking at it in Weight Paint mode, we're able to eliminate the effect of the arm bones on the body as before. This is the end of the lecture on how to edit weights. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again in the next lecture. See you soon. Bye.